Think you need a PC to make AI cover songs? You don't. In this video, I will show you how to create AI cover songs entirely on your phone using mobile-friendly tools and workflows, perfect for beginners, creators, and anyone on the go. So if you have recorded a song using your own vocals, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload them on your Sono AI and edit them from there, right? But if you want Suno to make that for you, to make the sound and everything, but you need just all you need is prompt. I'm gonna show that too, right? So before we go there, let's talk about what's possible on mobile and what isn't. On mobile, you can separate vocals, you apply AI voices, edit audio, export final tracks. But what you won't do easily, complex mixing or heavy mastering, and that's okay. And the competitor mistake is that they're trying to replicate desktop workflows on mobile. Mobile needs simplicity. Next, prepare the song on your phone. So hit the music icon at the bottom middle, okay, and download the song audio using the upload button on the left hand menu, okay, and upload if you have a if you recorded a song, okay. You can also record using the recording button right here and give them access to your mic and start singing. Okay, use headphones. Tiny timing issues matter more on mobile. Okay, and once your vocals are ready, you can upload them to mobile compatible AI voice tool. Choose the voice style and you can process it carefully once you record or upload. Okay, there is a simple hack. Use shorter audio segments for more stable results. Okay, but if you are a person who want AI to do its thing, hit the music icon and just type in the prompt, the simple prompt, what you want. So in my case, I want to make K-pop style AI cover for the song Blinding Lights, right? Use a clean, modern male vocal, smooth, high note, emotional, but controlled delivery, medium tempo, polished K-pop production, layers, harmonies, catchy chorus, bright synths, ready sound. Please focus on the, how would you describe your song, okay? It doesn't have to be identical to this, right? But you have to follow the exact steps, right? So what you're gonna do, what you're gonna say instead of K-pop, you're gonna say country or southern or R&B or whatever, right? And so instead of K-pop, you can change your style. And also the gender. If you don't want male and you want instead female, you can just change it. And also how the sound would be. Smooth, thick, or something. Or also how it would present, right? Is it emotional, about control? Is it a motivational and enthusiastic, right? So you have to also focus on that. Also the tempo, if you want it to be medium, low, high, also the K-pop production, if you want it to be polished, you can also keep that in. Layered harmonies, catchy chorus, bright synths, radio ready sound, okay. And if you have lyrics, you could just go ahead and hit the plus button and add your own lyrics to the song, or you could just turn on instrumental and just use a beats and melodies and all that stuff, okay. And once you hit create, you're gonna see your song in the workspace. So I'm gonna hit my library right here at the bottom right, and you're gonna see this is my songs. If you liked your song, just hit the three dots next to your song and scroll a little bit down, hit download the song, and you're gonna be able to listen to it however you want, like whenever you want, okay. But common problems, maybe there is an audio drift, so realign manually, distortion, lower input volume, harsh vocals, soften highs slightly if you are using your voice. Pro tip, mobile speakers exaggerate harshness. Test with headphones, right? As we mentioned, just export your music for TikTok, shorts, clear title, simple thumbnails, right? If you want to upload the full song, okay? A simple hack, post 20 to 30-second hooks, not full songs. So that's how you make AI cover songs on your phone. Simple, clean, and beginner proof. Okay. If you want a follow-up on mobile-only AI music workflows, let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. You already know what to do. So we're gonna catch you the next time.